Hello everyone, welcome to another video. And before we start, I wanted to thank you for 100 subscribers. It means a lot for me, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button because there are more videos coming. Today I got the iPhone 5 and I'm going to show you why you should upgrade to magnetic charging cable. So this is a charger and a data cable, and you get one cable for all devices. In this video I'm going to use the iPhone charger. The cable comes in different colors, but I like this design of color. What I really like is that it goes strictly to the point and you don't struggle to get it in. To set it up, you just put it into your phone. And then connect it to the charger or your laptop. The connection is so strong, and don't worry because it won't fall. It has a LED light that indicates if it is charging or not. When it is green, it is not charging, and when it is blue, it is charging. Okay, but why should you upgrade to magnetic charging cable? So first of all, you're going to have a cool charging cable. Second is that it is more durable than the other chargers. The third one is that it supports fast charging and fast data transfer. The other one is that you will have one cable for all of your devices. And the last one is that it is easy to use. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you next time.